Hey guys, what's going on? Thought I'd show you what I was up to here. This is my daily driver. And check this out. Doesn't that sound good? And sometimes it doesn't lock. So I ordered a new one. It came in. And I'm gonna swap it out so it fits up in there, put the seals out of the way. I have a feeling this is the type of job that I'm not going to be drinking a glass of scotch doing. Alright, it is an explosive charge active seatbelt, so I'm going to be disconnecting the battery to prevent getting exploded. Alright guys, the secret to getting that unplugged is this coupler that goes into the seatbelt assembly. You have to pop up this clip that is in the coupler. It won't come out unless you pop that up. If you guys can see that. So that goes in there. You stick a screwdriver under there, pop that up, and this comes right out. It's the old one. And time for the new one. Awesome.